Hi, good afternoon. Myself Drishti Chauhan, and I am here to share few tips to CS executive and CS professional students for their upcoming examination for June 2026. I would request all the students appearing for CS executive or CS professional to stay calm, stay hydrated as it's so hot. Stay hydrated. Don't try to learn new things now. जितना आपने पढ़ा है उतने पे ही focus कीजिए. The things that you have learned, focus, read, reread, revise, and don't try to learn new things at this point in time. Stay hydrated, stay confident, stay motivated. Whatever you have learned so far, howsoever hard work you have done, now it's time to go and write the hard work in the examination. Just go with the confidence. Be confident about whatever you have learned. Just go appear in the examination and try to attempt 100 marks paper. This is one of the essential keys to clear the examination and get an exemption. Say suppose you attempt 80 marks paper, there are less chances for you to get an exemption, but if you attempt 100 marks paper, the chances of getting exemption increases. Simply don't think about anything else. Try to complete 100 marks paper. It is very essential for each and every student to write 100 marks paper in the examination. Be very confident, be very positive, stay calm in the examination. Say suppose the examination paper is lengthy, it's hard, don't try to jumble up the knowledge that you have. Just stay calm, read the question properly. If you can't understand the question, just go through the question for once, read it, understand it, whatever comes to your mind, howsoever concepts that you have read, whatever comes to your mind pertaining to that provision, make sure that you write it. Make sure that you don't write stuffs which are not required in the examination. Write only relevant points. Don't try to overwrite in the answers and try to impress the faculty. Here marks are rewarded for what you write and what is being asked actually. Say suppose there are certain provisions which are being asked, write limited provisions. Don't try to overwrite in an answer in the urge to get more marks. Stay confident, revise, read whatever you have read. Don't try to learn new things at all. Be confident. Just make sure that you skim through each and every page of the module or document that you have or the book that you have read. And don't try to muck things up. Just understand while reading for the 15 minutes that you get in the examination. Try to read the questions, understand, make a strategy as to what questions you're attempting first in the examination. For me, I used to follow that. I don't used to read the questions. I just used to focus on question number 1. Whatever is the pattern that you follow, kindly follow that pattern. Don't change the pattern at this point in time, and don't see multiple videos at this point in time. One or the other fast track or marathons is okay. Don't try to overdo and overperform at the very last moment. The time of performance is already gone. Requesting all the students to do their best in the examination. I really wish all the CS students all the very best for the examination, and this is a short video from my side wishing them all the luck for the examination. Thank you very much.